Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine and getting this vlog started off. We got a little precipitation out here today. It is raining. Homeboy Jermaine is on the bus. So anyway, yo, let's get this video started. Oh my gosh, that farmer's market is popping out there, even in the rain. Rain don't stop the farmer's market around here. Oh, cool beans, just got back home. Looks like it's gonna rain for another hour and a half. Maybe, if I keep my fingers crossed, I can get back outside and skateboard. I kind of wanted to run some errands. But, oh well, you know, you win some, you lose some, you win some, you lose some. So what do I got going on now? I got a freaking, I got a meeting I gotta go to. It's an online virtual meeting, that sort of thing. I got some new knee pads, random thing. I got these a couple days ago, and I just started wearing these, and these knee pads are pretty dang expensive. These were like $140, and they are the most comfortable knee pads I ever worn. These are like Fox. They're super comfortable. They definitely beat my other knee pads. Like, I just like the straps, and like these are the knee pads that like you sort of you just put like you stick the whole thing in here like that. And my other knee pads were a little bit different. My other knee pads were like, and this here, my old knee pads are a little bit bigger, and they like wrap around and you have to use the straps, but eventually the straps got like really weak and just didn't hold as much. So with the new knee pads, it's kind of cool because it's like you stick your leg inside of the knee pad. So that's pretty dope. That's pretty cool. That's pretty fly. I like these. I'll probably get another pair of knee pads just to test them out, because I'm the type of person I wear knee pads like all day. All day I got my knee pads on, yo. Funny. Oh my gosh, man, it is raining like crazy out there right now. Only thing I want to do is just go out and do random stuff today. I really need to clean my hotel room because I just got stuff all on the floor there. But anyway, that's what I got going on right now. Yeah, that's what I got going on right now. Guess what? It's a little bit later in the rain stop, and the streets are dry. Perfect time for skateboarding. Yes. And I am going the wrong way on a one-way street. I better not forget before a car comes flying around the corner. Oh, it's still wet over here. Traffic. Let's just cruise in the middle. I was just gonna go to the East Cut and then go over to Whole Foods and then make my way over. Just go around in circles. Traffic. Now look at this car. She like, I'm trying to get out of here. Quick adventures at Whole Foods. And they got them Dia pizzas on sale. Time to grab one of them pizzas, yo. And what do we got? Got some vegan yogurt. Thought I would try this one out. And I love the fact that the skateboard sits on the basket like so. Okay, cool, back home. Now you guys know I live in a freaking hotel, so how am I gonna cook a freaking pizza? Well, I got an idea. First, I'm going to need some aluminum foil. We got one of these things, so I can make a pizza in this. This is like an air fryer, an oven. You can make cookies in here, bagels. You can dehydrate things. You can defrost things. You can warm things. You can just do everything in this little oven. It's pretty cool, pretty fly. Next to the ice machine. Long, dark hallway. And voila, here we go. Got a pizza. haven't been to the mall in a while. I wonder what stores are still open.
Hey, you ain't got no more nachos, huh? No. Damn, no more 7-Eleven nachos, huh? All right.
There's no one here. Except me.